Django's son and Mrs. Park's granddaughter go to the same school. Django and Mrs. Park are going to the school to meet the teachers. It's important to know the names of people at the school. Let's learn their names. Principal. She's the principal. Teacher. He's the teacher. Librarian. She's the librarian. Office clerk. She's the office clerk. Janitor. He's the janitor. Miguel, is she the teacher or the principal?
She's the principal.
Mrs. Park, is she the office clerk or the librarian?
She's the office clerk.
Yes, she's the office clerk. Jagraj, is he the librarian?
He's the janitor.
Yes, he's the janitor. Lana, who is she?
She's the librarian.
Yes, she's the librarian. Jane, who is he?
He's the teacher. You too.
That's right. I'm a teacher too. This is a school. It's important to know the names of the rooms in a school. This is the office. This is the principal's office. This is the classroom. This is the library. This is the cafeteria. This is the bathroom. This is the hallway. Repeat with me, class. The office.
The office.
The principal's office.
The principal's office.
The classroom.
The classroom.
The library.
The library.
The cafeteria.
The cafeteria.
The bathroom.
The bathroom.
The hallway.
The hallway.
Good. Now the school workers are at work. Let's practice. The principal is in the principal's office. Farid, where's the principal?
She's in the principal's office.
Celia, where's the janitor?
He's in the cafeteria.
Lana, where's the librarian?
She's in the library.
Django, where's the teacher?
He's in the classroom.
Same school?
Yes, same school. You don't understand?
No, I don't.
Oh, teacher!
Please help.
Help.
Sure, let me see. Oh, this is from your children's school. The school is having a parent-teacher night.
Parent, teacher?
Yes, you go to the school and meet your child's teacher. See? Parent-teacher night is at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, February 10th. Come meet your child's teacher. This is you. This is your child. This is your child's teacher. You go to the school and tell the teacher, "Nice to meet you."
Oh. Now I understand.
Me too.
Here it is.
Hello, welcome. I'm Miss Kennedy, the school principal.
Hello, my name is Django. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is Mrs. Park.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. This is Mr. Jenkins, the school librarian.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Mrs. Jackson, a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you all.
So, who are your children?
I have a son. His name is Siaka Bangua.
Oh, Siaka, I'm his teacher. He's a good student.
Thank you.
And Mrs. Park, you're here for?
My granddaughter. Her name is Lily Park.
Oh, Lily Park. Yes, I know her. She comes to the library every day, and she loves to read books.
Yes, books all day.
Well, Mr. Bangura, Mrs. Park, please go to the cafeteria, meet the teachers, have some refreshments. Mrs. Jackson will be in a moment.
Excuse me, where is the cafeteria?
It's between the office and the library.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You
Nice
too.
to meet you.
Now it's your turn. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Where is the librarian? She's in the library. Where is the principal? She's in the principal's office. Where is the teacher? He's in the classroom. Who's in the office? The office clerk is. Who's in the cafeteria? The janitor is. Oh, this is from your children's school. The school is having a parent-teacher night.
Parent-teacher?
Yes, you go to the school and meet your child's teacher. See? Parent-teacher night is at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, February 10th. Come meet your child's teacher. This is you. This is your child. This is your child's teacher. You go to the school and tell the teacher, "Nice to meet you."
Teacher, teacher, teacher. Principal's office, principal's office, principal's office. Librarian, librarian, librarian. Office clerk, office clerk, office clerk. Janitor, janitor, janitor. School, school, school. Library, library, library. Classroom, classroom, classroom. cafeteria, cafeteria, cafeteria. Principal's office, principal's office, principal's office. Office, office, office. Hallway, hallway, hallway. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. النهاردة درس جديد من دروس كورس الإنجليزية للمبتدئين. عندنا قاعدة، يعني أنا عايز أقول سيارتي هقول my car. يعني أنا، لكن لو عايز أقول سيارتي هقول my car. هو عايز أقول سيارته هقول his car. هي عايز أقول سيارتها هقول her car. أنت أو أنتم أو أنتن بتاع الضمير المخاطب. لو عايز أقول سيارتك أو سياراتكم هقول your car. نحن عايز أقول سيارتنا هقول our car. هم، لكن لو عايز أقول سيارتهم هقول their car. فإذن في الملكية هستخدم my, his, her, your, our, their. خلينا نشوف أمثلة. My son is a student، يعني ابني طالب. His name is علي، اسمه علي. عايز أقول واحدة إن ابنتها، يعني ابنتها غير متزوجة، هقول her daughter is single، يعني ابنتها قلت her daughter. Your father is a principal، والدك مدير المدرسة. Our children are married، أولادنا متزوجون. Their teacher is in the hall، مدرسهم في القاعة. فإذن my, his, her, your, our, their استخدمها عشان أقول مثلا ابني، ابنك، ابنتها، والدها. They have one daughter. Daughter is married. They يعني هم عندهم بنت. البنت دي متزوجة. يبقى they have one daughter. Her daughter ولا their daughter ولا our daughter. طبعا they يعني هم. لما أقول بنتهم تبقى their daughter. their their daughter، بنتهم. ناخد تمرين عليهم. I have a son. son is a teacher. اختار we ولا my ولا I. طبعا I have a son. my son is a teacher. يبقى اختار my. اللي بعد كده you are a mother. children go to school. your ولا you ولا their. طبعا you are a mother يبقى your children go to school. انت أولادك وأطفالك هيروحوا المدرسة. My granddaughter is in the library. name is Lily. طبعا granddaughter يعني حفيدتها في المكتبة. name اسمها، يبقى her name ولا his name ولا she name. طبعا اسمها يبقى her name. اسمها ليلي. her name is Lily. Where are the teachers؟ فين المدرسين؟ are in the cafeteria. she ولا they ولا they. طبعا هنا are هقول they are in the cafeteria. هم في الكافيتيريا. Where are the teachers؟ فين المدرسين؟ they are in the cafeteria. هم في الكافيتيريا. The office clerk is my sister. الموظفة هي أختي. works in the school office. يبقى my ولا her ولا she. طبعا هنا works تعمل، يبقى أقول هي بتعمل في school office، في المكتب بتاع المدرسة. يبقى works تعمل، فإذا هقول she works. هي تعمل. هي تعمل.
teacher, librarian, office clerk, office clerk, janitor, 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 school, 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 library, 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 classroom, 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 cafeteria, 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 principal's office, principal's office, principal's office, 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 hallway, 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 bathroom, bathroom, bathroom,